Welcome, friends! Get ready to enjoy the funniest, strangest, and most unforgettable cat and dog moments of the day that will make you laugh and smile nonstop! This is without a doubt one of the most exciting and entertaining battles between cats and dogs that I have ever seen in my entire life! This incredibly smart and loyal dog is the kind of pet everyone would love to have at home. And this amazing moment happened in the United States. When they do not want anyone touching them or getting too close. And their sudden attitude change is absolutely unbelievable.
Oh my god!
You're my motherfucker!
Oh, ป๊าป๊าจะตัวเหรอ Be careful, babe.
Fascinating creature is carrying and transporting pieces of wood with incredible strength and determination. But do you know the name of this animal?
It is a goat. It's a baby goat.
These heartwarming moments between dogs, pets, and children are truly adorable and inspiring to watch. Don't you think they are absolutely amazing?
Moira!
Bless you.
Cats and other beloved pets never stop surprising me with their strange, funny, and unexpected behaviors that make them so lovable and entertaining. Hope you enjoy this video and share it with your friends. And please support us with a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss new videos and amazing moments.